And the Lord said unto Abram, after that Lot was separated from him, Lift up now thine eyes, and look from the place where thou art, northward, and southward, and eastward, and westward. For all the land which thou seest, to thee will I give it, and to thy seed forever. So this is the next thing that God reiterates that promise. He goes, look north, look south, look east, look west. Everything you see, that's going to be it. And he says, arise, walk through the land in the length of it and the breadth of it, for I will give it unto thee. So God's also saying to Abram, don't just sit here. I want you to walk the whole thing. Abram is now walking and moving to as much of the land as possible because God has said, you walk it, you see it, I give it to you. Which is a pretty amazing promise.
Give me Jesus.